Hey guys, welcome again in a new video. As in shown in thumbnail, today's video is dedicated to unlock your smartphone's pin pattern and password. And if you're watching this video, then I'm sure, my friend, your phone's forgotten password. You have forgotten your phone's password or pattern lock. So don't worry at all. Watch this video till the end. Your smartphone will be unlocked 100%. If my previous video didn't work on your phone and your smartphone could not unlock, so don't worry at all. By the new method what I'm going to give you in this video, your smartphone will be unlocked 100% definitely. Further in this video, I will also tell you why sometimes the method of unlocking don't work in your phone. Before reveal this method, there are some important things that you will have to take care of it, my friend. The first thing is that your phone's battery should not be charged less than 30%. Otherwise, whatever data in your phone may be deleted, okay? So before starting this method, you should fully battery charge your phone at least 30%, or else you can charge your phone at the time of using this method and mentioning it your locked smartphone. One of the most important thing, I would also like to tell you that this method updates every month. So if your phone is not unlocked with the help of this trick and this video, you may also take help of my upcoming videos or older videos. For this, you must subscribe to the channel. And if your phone unlocked with this video, then do the like this video. This gives us encouragement to make the next video for the further help you. First of all, wherever your phone is locked, you should not worry at all and work with a cool mind. Watch this video till the end, only then you will be able to unlock your smartphone by fully learning this method and mentioning it to your locked smartphone. Okay. Now, as you know, my friend, this method is known as offline unlocking method. It means your phone's all the network like telecommunication network or Wi-Fi network should be closed. You can see here my phone is showing here Wi-Fi network. So firstly, I will have to close this Wi-Fi network to go to the master unlocking method or unlock my phone. Okay. So simply, how will you close your all the network like telecommunication and Wi-Fi network? Simply, you will have to activate your phone's airplane mode. So how will you activate your airplane mode? So simply, you will have to slide your phone downside. You can see like this. And when you will slide your phone downside, you will get a lots of key on this page. You can see here. Now you will also get an option of a airplane mode or flight mode. So simply you will have to activate this flight mode or airplane mode to close all the network like telecommunication network or Wi-Fi network. So I am going to activate this flight mode. Now you can see my Wi-Fi network has been closed and all the telecommunication network will be closed after activating this airplane mode. Okay. Now your phone is ready to go with a master unlocking method or engineer's mode. But before go to the unlocking method, one more thing you will have to do with your phone. What you will have to do, your all the running application, I mean to say your all the background running application, when your phone was not locked, it is possible you will be using some application within your phone. So firstly, you will have to close all the background running application. So how will you close it? So generally it is not possible to close all the background running application when your phone is locked. So for this, there are some secret codes which generated by the service center to close the background running application when your phone is locked. And this secret code updates within 2 or 3 days. So today's recent secret code, what I am going to give you, you will have to feed this secret code in your caller dialing pad. So how will you activate your dialing pad in your phone when your phone is locked? So simply you will have to slide your phone upside, and you will get an option of an emergency call option at the bottom of the phone. You can see here. Simply you will have to click on this emergency call option, and when you will click on this emergency call option, you will get a such type of dialing pad. Now the secret code what I am going to give you to close the running application, you will have to feed the secret code in here. Okay. Now today's recent secret code is star 000 then star 852 then star 9648. Okay. Now after entering this number, you will have to finally enter a hash code. Okay. Now after entering the hash code, you will have to call on the secret code at the first time. When you will call on this secret code, you will get a pop-up of a call failed. So simply ignore this pop-up with the OK button. Again, you will have to do the process same at the second time, and at the third time you will have to do the same. After call on this secret code 3 times, your all the background running application of your phone are closed now. Now your phone is ready to go with the engineer's mode or master unlocking mode. So after this, you will have to simply clear this call log like this. And after clearing this call log, what I am going to give you is a USSD code, and this USSD code used to go on engineer's mode or master unlocking mode. And this USSD code is star has 899 then has. Now you can see after feeding this USSD code star has 899 has, you have reached on a new page. That page name is engineer's mode, or it's also known as master unlocking mode in our service center language. Okay. Now you can see here there are also lots of options. You can see here but all the options have their specific function, but you don't have to go with any option on this page because all the functions have the different functions. Okay, now you will have to go with the option of a software version. You can see here at the 5th number, you can see here there is an option of a software version. Now simply you will have to click on this option, and when you will click on this option, you will reach to a new page, and on this page you will also get a lots of options from top to bottom. You can see here. Now you can see here at the 2nd number, the option is showing here Android version 12. It may be possible your phone will be showing here Android version 13, 11 or 10. Yeah, okay. And if your phone is showing here Android version 13, it means you will have to click on this option 13 times rapidly. But here my phone is showing here Android version 12. It means I will have to click on this option 12 times continuously like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Now the first step of unlocking method has been done. Now you will have to go with the back button, and when you will go with the back button, you will reach to the previous page. You can see here, and you will also get another option above the software version, that is manual test option. Okay, now you will have to go with this option, manual test option, and when you will click on this option, you will reach to a new page, and its page name is assembly test project, and you will also get a 3 option on this page, that is screen unit test. The second option is charge and discharge mode. The third option is handset test. Okay, so you don't have to go with any option on this page. Simply you will have to slide your phone right side like this, and you will have to reach to the page of others. Now you can see at the end of this page, other option has been appeared on my phone's display. You will also get a 5 type of option on this page. You can see here the first option. You can see here the first option is screen backlight test. As usual, you can see here the 4th option, that is database version, or it's also known as mainboard version. Maybe possible your phone will be showing here mainboard version, but both the option have the same function but the different name, so don't worry about the name. After this, you will have to click on this database version or mainboard version 11 times rapidly like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. Now the second step of unlocking method has been done, my friend. Now the 4th step what I am going to give you, that is, you can see here the second option. The second option is showing here read write important lock test. Okay, now you will have to go with this option, and you will have to click on this option, and when you will click on this option, you will ask to confirm this option, but you don't have to confirm this option at the first time. You will have to cancel this, and again you will have to click on this option second time. Again you will have to cancel this option at the second time, and the third time you will have to do the same. But at the 4th time, when you will click on this read write important log test option, again you will ask to confirm this option. Okay, but at the 4th time you will have to confirm this option with the OK button, and when you will click on this OK button, it means your phone's all the forgotten pin, pattern, password or face locks are or reconstruction mode. It means now your phone is ready to go with the new pin, pattern and password lock. Okay, now the last step what I am going to give you is most important, so be careful about the last step. Okay, now every step is most important, and if you have skipped any step, it means your phone is not going to unlock and you will have to watch this video again. Okay, now after this you will have to simply slide your phone left side like this, and you will have to reach to the page of a device debugging page. You can see here the device debugging page has been appeared on my phone's display. You can see here, and you can see here there are also lots of options you can on this page. You can see at the top of from the top to the bottom there are lots of options on this page. You can see here you will also get an option of a sensor self test and calibration option on the 6th number. You can see here. Now you will have to go with this option, and when you will click on this option, you will get a 3 type of option, 2 type of option or 1 option on your phone's display, and all the option will be showing here operation not started. You can see here the first option is showing here operation not started. The second option is also showing here operation not started. Now you will have to start this operation by simply click on this option. Okay, so I will have to click on this option. The first option you can see here test has been passed, and the second option is also showing here test has been failed. You will have to click on all those options, and you will have to continue click on those all options until you get a single test passed message. Now you can see at the first time I have got a single test passed message in one option. It means my phone has been completely unlocked. Now I don't have to do anything with my phone. Now I will have to check whether my phone has been unlocked or not. So simply what will I do to check whether my phone has been unlocked or not? So simply you can see here there is an option of a home button at the bottom of the phone. You can see here. So now I will click on this home button to check whether my phone has been unlocked or not. So simply I am going to click on this option. Now you can see, my friend, my phone has been completely unlocked and all the application and the data whatever was in my phone when my phone was locked, as it is as in my phone. It means this trick really works. And if your phone unlocked with this trick, then do the like this video. And if your phone could not unlock this method, then wait for the other upcoming videos. After a new secret code, your phone will be unlocked 100% definitely. See you in the next video with the next steps. Thank you so much.